Sawadee Ka, So Foodie, Chef Nikky here, ready to guide you through a Thai kitchen staple, Khao Phat Kratiem, or Thai garlic fried rice. This dish packs a punch of flavor and is as versatile as it is delicious, which is why it's in my cookbook. Let's tie things up. At the heart of this dish is, you guessed it, garlic and lots of it. In Thai, we say kratiem for garlic, and khao phat means fried rice, so this dish is called khao phat kratiem. This is comfort food, and it's as simple as that. My ama would always make this dish at home, and it just takes me back to my childhood. I can literally hear her right now. Nikky, are you hungry? Hiu li yang? While she's saying that, she's already grabbing the pan and making it. So for my recipe, you'll need these 5 ingredients. I like to use day-old jasmine rice or any leftover jasmine rice. If it's been in your fridge for a while, you know, make fried rice. For the rest of the ingredients, we're gonna need egg, garlic, yellow onion, scallions, and also our sauce. Start with a splash of oil in a medium hot wok or a non-stick skillet. Add the eggs and scramble a bit. Then toss in the garlic and yellow onions, and then we're gonna cook that until fragrant, which takes about 10 seconds. Make sure the garlic hits the oil to bloom. If not, add a bit more oil to the garlic. Next, add the rice. Breaking any clumps with the back of your spatula, making sure you don't chop the rice grains. Keep them whole and fluffy. Lastly, add my gluten-free stir-fry sauce, which you can get on chefnikky.com, and fold it in to make sure the rice is evenly coated, and top it off with scallions. For this recipe, you want to make sure you use a white or lighter soy instead of using the dark regular soy. White soy directly translates to se'iu khao, but it's not white in color. What the name is trying to convey is that it is lighter in color than regular soy sauce. Now let's taste. So good. This dish always takes me back to my childhood memory. Sawadee Ka, Ama. The garlic is present but not overpowering because it was bloomed just right. A simple, soulful meal. Cooking Thai food at home is so fun. For more recipes, check out my cookbook, Thai Food and Travel with Chef Nikky. Easy Thai recipes to feed your soul. Available on my website at chefnikky.com. And also on my website, you can get tips, tricks, and tales from my kitchen to yours. Don't forget to hit like, share the joy, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. Food brings back powerful memories. Let me know in the comments what food brings back your childhood memories. Until next time, ขอบคุณค่ะ